A file system error can occur in Windows 10 and Windows 11 when you try to open files or Microsoft Store apps. Now, if this is also happening to you, here's how to fix it. So first on the list, run the sfc and dasm command line tools. To do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, and then press Enter. Now the next thing you can do is scanning your hard drive with the Check Disk tool. And all you have to do is open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter. Then you will need to press Y to schedule the scan for a restart. After that, you have to exit Windows, restart your computer, and the Check Disk scan will start after the restart. Lastly, run the Windows Store app troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, go to System, select Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooters, then press the Run option for launching the Windows Store app troubleshooter. Now that's how you can fix the following file system errors in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.